What's up, guys? This is John from Back on the Road DIY. Today we got a quick video about this deal, July 31st to August 2nd at Harbor Freight. We got, if you're an ITC member, you get 30% off of all items, $20 and under. And if you're not a member, I would consider getting the membership because it pays off by itself. But if you don't want to, you still get 30% off on all items, $10 and less. You can screenshot this screen. Guys, now this is a good deal for me. We got the torque wrench. I'm gonna get one of these two because I have the 1/4 inch and the 1/2 inch. I need a 3/8 of an inch. I never thought I needed it, but there's some small spaces where the 1/2 inch is just too big, so I'm gonna need a 3/8 of an inch. This is a good deal, $15, and I still get 30% off, so very good deal. Other things you could get that I find good is this the 50 caliber ammo can. You can use it for bolts, tools. It could be a little car toolkit. You just fill it up with whatever you need and keep it in your car. Stick to the end of the video because I'm gonna show you. I just did my MDX 2012 timing belt, and I'm gonna show you something that might blow your mind. You might want to get. If you're not a member of Harbor Freight, get that membership, guys. If you building up your tools, if you don't have tools, you're starting to get them. It's a good time to get that membership because it's gonna save you a lot of money. This 12-inch zipper utility pouch. I love this because in my tool box I put like sockets, the extensions. I like to keep everything separate. So when it's time to go, I just put everything in its place, and it's easy to find when I need them. If you're into detailing, these spray bottles are a great deal right now. Look, $4.99 for two, and still you get 30% off. So that's a good deal. The magnetic tool, this is great, man. This magnetic telescoping pickup tool is great. You don't imagine how many times you drop a bolt, and then it's a hassle to get it. With this, it's just not a problem. The Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile floor jack with rapid pump. It's $169 right now, but in the following week it's gonna go down. So give me a second and I'm gonna show you. Now look at this, guy. This is the parking lot sale. It's gonna start. If you're an ITC member, you get early access from August 10th to the 13th, only for ITC members. If you're not a member, you could still get the discounts after the 14th to the 16th. But look, guys, remember just last week I put a video because they have this ratcheting stuff for free. And not even this one, the other ones that cost $12 for free, only to buy something. You're always getting good discount. Look, the pouch that we just saw, that is $249, but you get the 30% off. Next week is gonna be 20% off, so still a good deal to get it today. But what I wanted to show you is this right here. Look at the jack. It's gonna be $99. Remember, it is $169. If you wait a week and you go, you're gonna get it for $100. That's a great deal, guys. Wanted to show you this. If you wanna start working on your car, get yourself one of these. It's gonna change your life. Alright, guys, if you like this type of videos, please make sure you subscribe, like, leave any comments. Alright, guys, you want to take another look, another thing. If you follow my videos, also do details. I do car details. Look at this. This is $100. Next week it's gonna be $80. This polish it. Very nice, very nice, very nice deal, guys. And you guys know I have this, and you can follow. You can look through my videos, and I have some upgrades I did to this, and it works perfect. You don't need a super expensive pressure washer to detail your own cars, or not even get us a side job. Do a couple cars, friends, family. This will do the job. With the tricks, if you go to the video, you'll see what upgrades I did to this, and it works great. Okay, guys, Gonna wrap it up right now. Just gonna show you a couple more things right here. No, this thermometer looks nice. Might wanna get one of these. I like this type of thermometers. The American flag glue is gonna be $4. Usually goes for 10. Guys, wheel chuck, nice, $5.99. This is solid rubber. This is good. I need to get some of this because I got the plastic ones. That's it, guys. Gonna wrap it up. Show you the last page right here. So you guys might see anything that you guys are interested. Make sure you go to Harbor Freight. Remember, this that I'm showing you right here is for next week, and the beginning of the video is from July 31st to August 2nd. So alright guys, see you in the next video.